video is going to be part 2 to another video which I uploaded in the past. If you have not already watched that video, I highly suggest you do, because it will give you a much better understanding why I'm showing you how to make this repair coupling. I'll place a link to that video in the video description area. I'm going to show you how to make a simple one-piece PVC repair coupling in the event you have a buried PVC pipe which has a large crack which may not be straight up and down. This method only requires a small hole and easily works using 1/2 inch to 1 inch PVC pipe. It can also be used up to 2 inch pipe if desired. The repaired area is permanent and just as strong as the rest of the pipe, unlike expensive expandable or clamp repair fittings. Let's get started. Making the one-piece PVC repair coupling is very simple. Take the same pipe size that you're going to be repairing. Cut a section 9 inches long, like you see here. You're going to make a mark 1.25 inches in from one end and 2.5 inches in on the opposite end. We're going to be flaring this end open all the way to this point, and on the opposite side we'll be flaring to the 1.25 inch line. Let me show you how it's done. You will require a longer piece of PVC of the same size. You're going to use this for flaring open the shorter section. You're going to take the end, hold it on the concrete, rotate it to put a nice bevel on the end. And as you can see, it's got that bevel. Once you have created the bevel, we are now ready for the next step. You're going to take some liquid dishwashing detergent and you're going to apply it to the end of this pipe about 3 inches down all the way around. Place it to the side. For the next step, you are going to require a heat gun. You're going to take the heat gun and you're going to heat up the end of the pipe just past that line. So you might want to go about 3/4 inch past. Hold the heat gun, continue to rotate. Once it gets very soft, it's ready to go. We're going to take the other pipe that has the bevel on it and work it into this end and push it all the way in. You could tap it on the ground until you see the flare makes it all the way to that line. Here we go. Always rotate the pipe. Do not allow it to sit in one spot or you will burn the PVC. Every so often, just test to see if it's softened up. That's pretty good. Okay. Alright, let me explain how the repair would work. I'm not going to be doing an actual repair for this video, which is why I want you to refer to the first video that I made. I'm going to give you an idea of how it's done. If this pipe was buried in the ground and it was damaged in this section, if it was all crushed or smashed by a shovel, what you would do is you would dig a small hole, only about 1.5 feet in diameter, and you would take the coupling that you just made, and you can see I made marks. So if this was the bad area, you would make a cut right here, and you would make a cut right over here. Once those cuts are made, you remove the bad section. You take this end first, and you're going to lift up on that side of the pipe. Apply plenty of glue, slow or medium set only. Slide it all the way over till it gets to this point. And then you're going to put a whole bunch of glue on this side, and then you're going to slide it back. Now you have the 1.25 inch coverage on this end, and around 1 inch, 1.25 inch on that end. It'll be just like that, right around there. And that's how these repair couplings work. They are fantastic. This is a permanent repair, unlike the other ones that are expandable with O-rings. You'll have a job that's going to end up as good as the original pipe. Remember, dig the hole large enough that you're able to grab the pipe, to pull up on it, just enough to get this to slide over like that and clear. Then you push the pipe back down, line up this opening with the pipe, and then you pull it all the way over until it stops. I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you did, please rate it a thumbs up, subscribe, and post links to this video on other websites and blogs. Also be sure to check out my video playlist as well. Thank you very much for watching.